almost 1 year ago, on March 13th of 2022, I published my first video on this channel. Now, what is comprehensible English? What is it? This video was terrible, and I had 0 subscribers. But as of today, which is February 10th of 2023, I have 128 subscribers. So I'm pretty much a celebrity. It's been a long journey to reach 100 subscribers, and today I wanted to celebrate by reading some of the many nice comments that you've left on my videos this past year. My name is Kenzo, and this is English from the ground up. So we're going to start with this comment by KLX15. It says, "Keep going. Excellent way to learn English. Storytelling is the best way to learn any language." So, first of all, thank you. I will continue to make these videos. And second of all, I agree, especially in the beginning, listening to and reading easy and short stories is a fantastic way to begin acquiring a language. This comment is by a user whose name I don't know how to pronounce, but it says, "I like long videos." We have pause and resume. So this comment was left on one of my longest Minecraft videos. And in this video, I mentioned that I didn't want to make too long of videos. And I don't think that a lot of people want to watch videos that are 25 or 30 minutes. After reading this comment, I continued to make longer videos. And today on my channel, I mostly post longer videos. And it seems like a lot of people prefer my long videos to my short videos. So thank you so much for leaving me this comment. And if any of you have a suggestion for me, please leave them in the comments below. This channel is still really small, and I read all the comments. This next comment was left on my video all about me by the user Karen. It says, "Your channel is helping me so much. Anarchism is one of my interests, and I like Kropotkin a lot. Thanks from Brazil." In this video, I talk a little bit about a book by Peter Kropotkin called Mutual Aid, A Factor in Evolution, and about how this book inspired me to start this channel. Well, Peter Kropotkin and his book, Mutual Aid, are very popular amongst anarchists. Thank you so much for watching, and solidarity from the US. This next comment is one of the nicest that I have ever received. And this comment was written in French. It says, "Aujourd'hui, je vais essayer d'écrire en français. Merci du fond du cœur pour votre aide, Kenzo, car vous êtes encore jeune comme moi, mais vous avez un cœur tendre, mon frère. J'ai besoin de vidéos comme cela et en plus vous parlez clairement et lentement pour la mieux comprendre." So this comment is saying thank you to me for making these videos that are slow and easy to understand. Comments like this are the reason that I make these videos. I know that there are a lot of people that need this kind of video to learn English. And I know this because I also need this kind of video to learn other languages. So thank you so much, Gervais, for this nice comment, and I'm so glad that my videos can help. Et aussi, j'espère que t'as compris ma français. Okay, so this comment was left on my video about my favorite Pokemon, and it's by Jexter Zelda. It says, I usually played Pokemon through Game Boy. Me too. I played a little bit of Pokemon on the Nintendo DS and the Switch as well, but mostly I played on the Game Boy. I think that my favorite Pokemon games were on the Game Boy. I loved Pokemon Emerald and Sapphire and Ruby, and I also loved the Pokemon games on the Game Boy Color, like Pokemon Gold and Pokemon Silver. These next comments were left on one of my short videos. My short about flashlights. This is a flashlight. So the first comment says, this is a good video, but I don't know why it's on my For You page, because English is my first language. Yeah, so sometimes my videos get recommended to people that already know how to speak English. This is a flashlight. We use flashlights to light up the area when it's dark. Orion says, no, I never knew that. This flashlight is very bright, see? This comment says, I can't see now. And to that, I would say, I'm sorry. This comment is from the Bean God, who says, diarrhea. This comment from Joachim. This comment by Joachim Kim says, we would watch for hours. Amazing. Congrats and thank you. This comment was also left on one of my long Minecraft videos. I'm very glad that a lot of you seem to like my Minecraft videos. I'm really excited about the series, and I'll post more Minecraft videos in the future. This comment by Ethan was left on my Skyrim video. It says, cool dude, I'm an English learner and I really like your video. Your explanations help me to understand more. Thank you. I'm trying to acquire English by listening. Also, I was really into Skyrim many years ago. Yeah, Skyrim is a little bit of an old game, but it's still one of my favorites. It looks like you're doing a great job studying English. This comment is written perfectly, so great job with your English, and thank you for watching. Also, if any of you want me to make more Skyrim videos, please tell me below in a comment. This next comment is by the Central Intelligence Agency. This comment is by Bender. It says it's criminal that you don't have more subscribers. You are great. Well, thank you, Bender. I chose this comment because of the it's criminal. So if something is criminal, it means that it's against the law. What Bender means in this comment is that it's not fair that you don't have more subscribers. Okay, we're almost to the end. This comment was left on my very first video. It says, "I will try to use this method to learn English." I do not understand almost anything in English, but I managed to understand your video even without understanding some of the things that you said. Thank you so much for the comment. I am so glad that you were able to understand my video even without knowing a lot of English. That is the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to make English understandable even to people that don't know any English. So I'm very glad that it's working. We've made it to the last comment. And this comment is very special because this is actually my first ever comment. It's by YBJ, and it says, "I'm from Korea. Thank you for this video. I want to acquire English using this method. Keep uploading videos, please. Thank you so much." Well, YBJ, thank you so much for leaving me my first ever comment. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me, and I am so glad that these videos can help you to acquire English. If you liked this video, you could click the like button or subscribe to my channel by clicking up here. And if you want to continue learning, you could watch my last video by clicking down here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.